Hi guys, it's Roel from Surviving Wilderness. Today I want to show you the one-hand technique for fire steel in case you injure your arm or hand or something. So you still can make a fire with this. I'm gonna do this over here. So if the cameraman would get a little closer. I'm gonna use a piece of wood, a piece of cotton, and there's some dry linen in there too. A knife. I know I shouldn't use the cutting edge of the knife, but this is just an old broken knife, as you see. The tip is broken off, so I'm going to use the cutting edge because I don't have to worry about the blade, and it makes more sparks then. So what you want to do is you want to put it on the stick. You want to put your tinder under the knife, and it's a little stick today, so. And you want to put your fire steel right on top of it, and you want to strike it if it works, and there it goes. And then you have fire. And in this way you can light your tinder very easy with one hand, with only one hand, in case you might get injured or something. So yeah, that was just a short video, but I want to make as much videos as I can now. I have weekend and I'm not that busy with school. So the next video will take a little longer to come out, but I hope you liked this video. It was Roel from Surviving Wilderness. See you later guys, please rate and comment. Bye.